What's going on, everybody? It's Rock from Flip the Thrift. Welcome back into the channel. Today we're going to talk about retail arbitrage. Alright guys, so if you're just tuning into my channel and you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the thumbs up button. It really helps out the algorithm, helps out the channel, and all of that jazz. If you are already a subscriber, thanks for tuning in, guys. And we're going to talk today about retail arbitrage. My wife told me, I think we were at the dollar store the other day, and they were like, hey, we're going to have this sale tomorrow. We're going to do 50% off. There's 60, then there was like 10 on top of that. And there's already marked down prices, like marked down half off, and then now they're doing another half off. So that's basically like 75% off, something like that, after all is said and done, something like that, you know, whatever. But anyway, because if something is $50 and they mark it down to 25 and then they mark it down 50% again, that's 25, it's what, $14.50. So, whoop, tripping over stuff. Yeah, there's way too much stuff in here. Sorry, guys. But anyway, we're going to get into some of those items that I did pick up today. We did get also, while you're out, of course, you can get other things like for, you know, other people, things for you. If you can buy things on sale and you can save some money. Got some things for Easter for like my grandchildren, a couple book bags, you know what I mean? Anyway, so here are some of the things that I got at this dollar store. Things that were on sale. We got some hair dye. So I think they were like half off of that, and then they were half off again. So they were like, these were like $1.50, $1.25, something like that. Something that I wouldn't normally pick up unless I know I'm going to be able to flip it and make some money. So what I did was I just bought all of them so that way I could just list one and just go from there. Or I could just even put these all in a lot and just flip my money really fast and let somebody else deal with the one-off items, which I don't really like to deal with all the time. So it just depends. It'll be really easy to do it though because it's just, I have a large quantity, so I can just, you know, like I said, I can just do one listing and just put quantity in. So there is 1, 2, there's 3, there's 5, 6, 7, and I believe that some of them are different. Some of them are this color and some of them are that color. So they're two different color, two different tone, whatever color hair. So there's one, there's that one, so there's 3 of that one, 4, 5, 6. So these are all the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these ones are all the same. There's 6 of them, and then there's 1 of that other one, but there's more in here. So then there's 1, 2, and 3 of this one. Yeah. So then there's 3 more of that one. So that's 4, and then there's more right here. There's 1. There's what? There's 4 more. So there's 1 more of that one, which makes 7. And there's another one of that one. 1 more. There's more of that kind. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 of that one, which I can just do that. And there's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 8 of that one. So not too bad. So even if they sell for $10 a piece, that's 80 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 60 there, which is 14, like 140. I believe that's what they do sell for, somewhere between like $10 and $12 a piece. Some people do free shipping and some people don't. So these are light. I think these are under a pound. So we'll see how it goes. Like I said, I normally wouldn't pick something like that up, but they were cheap enough for me to pick up. So, and that's really the only way to go when it comes to items like that. And then I picked these up. Media tends to do okay, but only if you can get these cheap, because you got to ship these guys, and these are heavy. They don't do the regional A anymore, so you can't shove these in a regional A box, even if you could. You can put these in padded. I could probably wrap this really good, like maybe put a little cardboard around it and put this in a flat rate envelope. But these are just a pain in the butt to ship sometimes. I'm probably just going to lot these together since I only have $1.50, $1.25 into each one. So we have $6 invested in these. So I think that we can probably get about 40 bucks for these, all 4 of these, and the customer will pay for shipping, which is weird because sometimes people will pay a lot for shipping and that doesn't matter to them. But that's why I don't understand how that goes. You know, I just don't get it. Some people are just willing to pay for something and have it all, you know, just buy a bulk. I don't know. It's just it sometimes shipping doesn't really make sense to me, and sometimes international sales, people overseas that are buying items from the US will spend a fortune on the shipping, like $40, $50, $60 for shipping, and something will sell and I'll go, oh wow, but I'm not making any money off that international shipping cost, so it doesn't matter. So, you know, it is what it is. Then we got this one. This one was, I think this one was $1.47, which isn't too bad because this is actually a $20 one. This one actually sells for a little bit more. That's the only reason why I picked that one up, because I got it really cheap and I'm going to make money on that. So we'll see. Oh, we got some more Band-Aids. These actually have to go with my grandchildren's stuff. We got some Band-Aids for the kiddies. Then we got, at first I thought that, got a bunch of Legos. I got a really good deal on these Legos. I think I paid $1 something a box for each box of Legos. These don't sell for too much. Maybe like $12, and then I could charge the shipping on these. I think that these only sell somewhere between $12 and $15, and a lot of people are doing free shipping on these, which I am not doing. So, you know, that doesn't really work for my business model. I don't know if that's going to change somewhere down the line, but this one's cool too. At first I wasn't going to pick this up, but I got it discounted even more than what it was already discounted at. This was another item that was eligible for that, you know, so I think, yeah, I got a pretty good deal on this one, and that's the only reason why I picked it up, because it was still going to be $9 because it was $18, but I think I paid way less than that on this. I don't even know. Well, I know it was a really good deal, but so, you know, it is what it is. Sometimes it makes sense to get in good with people that are running these stores, that are just like the Goodwill. When you go into Goodwill, it's always good to just have a good relationship with people that you're buying from. No matter if it's people that you meet on the street, in the store, at the yard sales, anywhere, it's always good to have a good relationship. And I have a business card, so whenever I meet people, if they tell me that they have tons of stuff at home that they have to go through, I always give them my business card. So last but not least, more retail arbitrage we have. At first I thought they were all Wolverine, but there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 that are Iron Man. These, I think these were $1 something also a piece. So I can't lose with them. They're going to sell fast. I can be competitive with my price. But for some reason, this Wolverine one sells for about $25. So I got a really good deal on this one as well. They were all probably like $1.50 a piece, which is a complete steal. And we'll see how we do. So what do you think? Anyway, that's all I have, guys. I just wanted to talk a little bit about retail arbitrage. And I probably should have explained this in the beginning, what retail arbitrage is. Retail arbitrage is when you go into regular stores like Walmart, CVS, just anywhere that's not like a thrift store or not like a markdown type of, like a donation or, you know, a consignment shop or something, like a regular store, like like I said, like anywhere you go, it could be a gas station. Like I seen the gas station down here has Pops in it, so it's like, you know, you never know what you're going to bump into. So whenever you see things, if you see things on clearance or whatever, you got to check them out. So anyway, guys, that's all I have. I hope you guys now you understand what retail arbitrage is, and there are ways to make money by walking into some of these stores. Even in BJ's, there's a BJ's out here in Camp Hill. They do a lot of markdown. They sell a lot of things really cheap. They have a lot of books, and they do have some. They have a lot of toys. They just have tons of stuff. If you guys are not familiar with BJ's, they're also like another wholesale type of deal. Maybe not wholesale, but like a markdown type of store. But anyway, that's all I have for you guys. I hope you guys learned a little bit off of some of the knowledge in my noggin. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash the thumbs up button, hit that notification bell down below. And that's all I got. Peace out.